Hello YouTube, this is Bassman channel. Today we are going to have an unboxing of the smallest REL subwoofer. It is the model T0 mkiii. It's 6.5 inches. It includes a Class D amplifier, not an AB. As I said, it is the smallest one. I want to see in reality and share it with you how small it is. I'm going to unbox it now and see how it is. They included power cord, they included wire with speak-on terminals and 3 wires, black, yellow and red. Very good packaging. Manual and warranty card. Okay, I opened it oppositely. So it is very beautiful and very small, as you can see. This is the product, its connections, very good finish and color, very small, heavy enough for its size. This is a 6.5 inch cone, black colored, very beautiful finish, its legs, the REL logo, nothing to see at all. Thanks for watching, and a video with the review and connection will be soon available for everyone. If you like, subscribe.